if you're craving something sweet, rich, and fluffy today, this chocolate banana bread is your sign. First, I added some few bananas into a bowl and 2 eggs. Then I used my fork to mash properly. And then I whisked because the fork was not doing justice to how I wanted it. So I added half cup of sugar, and then I whisked a little bit till it dissolved. And then I added half cup of oil and whisked thoroughly. Because we're not using butter, so we substitute with oil. And then I added 1.5 cup of flour into a sieve, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and then sieve thoroughly into the bowl. The banana I used were smaller size, that's why I used that amount. So if you have like the normal size of banana, you can use like 2. Yeah, but you can use as much as you want. It's banana bread anyways. After sieving, I then use the spatula to mix thoroughly. Make sure this is mixed thoroughly because you want everything to mix. But the banana can be like that, it's fine. You want to see that lumpiness. Yeah, so it's actually fine for the banana to be like that, it's normal. And then I added some milk to it. This was the normal milk, like the full cream milk, not low fat. You want the full cream milk for this particular recipe. So I added milk, to my preferred consistency. Don't make it watery though. And then I added some vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, then mix properly. After mixing, I poured the mixture into a bowl, but before that I greased the bowl and parchment paper with some oil to avoid stickiness. I then sprinkled some chocolate chips and baked for about 40 minutes. And this is the final result. Look at how nice it's looking. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in my next video. Bye.